Write details also. Name of the partner is
Ajitesh,
Ajitesh,
Bimal, and Dev.
and other person is
Bimal.
Bimal, and third person going to be enter is
Deep.
Deep. What is our first? What is our first step?
Sir, the buy balance got down.
Capital is
15,000
15,000,
and 10,000.
10,000,
Yes, sir.
and we have to see the reserves.
Yes, sir.
The employees provident fund is not a free reserves. That is fund. Provident fund belongs to employees. We cannot
Yes, sir.
transfer to the partners.
The partners. Yes, sir.
And general reserve is 20,000. Our old
Yes, sir.
ratio is
3:2.
3:2. So
Yes,
by
sir.
general reserve amount is
12,000, 8,000.
that comes to 12,000 and
8,000.
8,000. Then we have workman compensation reserve
Yes, sir.
25,000.
Yes, sir.
If you see here, adjustment number 4,
Yes, sir.
liability of workman compensation was determined is 12,000.
Yes, sir.
Out of 25,000, 12,000 is the provision we have to keep for the workman compensation fund. Remaining you can transfer to the old
Partners.
partners. So how much is the remaining amount?
13,000.
13,000. We have to distribute it to the partners.
Old partner.
By
Sir, 7,800.
workman compensation fund. How much it comes?
7,800.
7,800 and
5,200.
5,200.
Yes, sir.
Now, capital account balance we are recorded. If you see in the asset side, there is an advertisement expenditure account.
Yes, sir.
This is called as accumulated losses or all called as a fictitious asset. It is also be written off before the admission of new partner.
Yes,
So,
sir.
where I will record this advertisement expenditure,
Debit, sir.
debit side to advertisement expenditure. Amount we have to distribute.
Yes, sir.
That comes
3,000,
to
2,000.
3,000 and 2,000.
2,000.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
no other fictitious asset. There is no profit and loss account.
Yes, sir.
So they admit Deep as a partner, one check share in the future profit effect from 1st April 2020. The following terms: value of the land and building increased by 3,000. Where I will
Yes, sir.
record this
Sir, credit side.
of revaluation account. It is an appreciation by land and building account. Amount is
3,000.
3,000. So second effect of this asset will be land and building will be increased by 3,000.
3,000. Yes,
What
sir.
is the balance sheet value we already have?
68,000.
Land and building. So what is the
71,000.
ultimate value I have to write?
71,000.
71,000. Next,
Next, sir, value of stock to be increased by 2,500.
again stock increased means profit.
Yes, sir. Buy stock account.
Stock account. How
Yes.
much is increased?
2,500.
2,500. So my balance
Asset
sheet
side,
stock will go
13,500.
13,500.
500.
Stock that is 13,500.
Yes, sir.
Then
Provision for doubtful debts to be increased by 1,500.
increased by 1,500. Already how much is there?
1,000.
So that means total new added will be
2,500.
2,500. So we'll have that debtors first.
Yes,
Inner
sir.
column, sundry debtors. Inner column amount is 22,000
Yes, sir.
less provision for bad debt. How much I will write minus here?
2,500.
2,500. What is the outer column amount?
19,500.
So what is the second effect of this?
Sir, in revaluation account on the debit side.
Debit side. To provision for bad debt.
Yes, yes.
How much amount I will write?
2,500.
Will write 2,500. What is the formula? What is the formula we used to use?
Yes, sir. Bad debt plus further bad debt minus new RDD.
Minus new
Sorry,
RDD.
plus new RDD minus old RDD.
Further bad debt chodo. New RDD minus old RDD. What is the new RDD we are put it here?
2,500.
What is the old RDD in the balance sheet?
1,000.
So what is the difference?
1,500.
Where I will record?
Debit side provision for bad.
And every sums, this is the mistake you are doing it. Next. Workman compensation is 12,000 that we will be recording. Workman compensation. Provision for workman compensation. That is 12,000. Remaining amount. Then the pot is share of goodwill in 10,000 in cash. So goodwill where I will transfer.
Sir,
Hmm.
first partners capital account by goodwill.
By goodwill
Premium
you
for
will write.
goodwill. Premium for goodwill.
Premium for goodwill. So there is no new ratio is given. That means old ratio is
Old
equal
ratio
to
is
sacrifice ratio. The 10,000 we will divide into 3:2.
It's
That is
6,000, 4,000.
6,000 and 4,000.
Yes.
So then
By cash account.
cash account we will mention later together total cash bank account we will write.
Okay.
Next, Deep was to bring further cash of 15,000 for his capital account.
Yes, sir.
So by
Cash account.
cash
Bank.
account, bank account, because that cash will be deposited into bank. Okay. Amount is
15,000.
15,000. Fine. Now, no further bank transaction. You can write here bank account. Bank. Under that, what is the opening balance of the bank we have?
71,000.
71,000 plus goodwill bought is
10,000.
plus capital bought is
15,000.
huh?
15,000.
15,000. 15,000. Total comes to
96,000.
96,000. Is there any payment?
No, sir.
No. Now left out item in the balance sheet, try to find out. That is sundry creditors, liability side,
Yes, sir. 1,10,000.
1,10,000. Then employees,
Provident fund.
yes, employees provident fund.
8,000.
That is
8,000.
amount is
8,000.
8,000. General reserve distributed, workman compensation already written.
Yes, sir.
Capital we will take it from the capital account.
Yes, sir.
Bank account we are written. Debtors we are written. Stock we are written. And advertisement expenditure already written off.
Yes, plant
Land and building
machinery.
we also we are written. Only
Yes,
left
plant
out
and
item
machinery.
is plant and machinery.
Machinery.
Plant and machinery.
12,000.
Amount is
12,000.
12,000. And now find out the revaluation profit or loss.
Yes, sir. Sir, 4,000 divided by
4,000 is what?
the balance.
Balance. So that is profit or loss?
The profit.
Profit. So divide according to the ratios.
Yes, sir.
To partners capital account. Under that, name of the partner is Ajitesh and other
Bimal.
person Bimal. So how much is they will get?
2,400 and 1,600.
2,400 and 1,600.
Yes, sir.
That comes to 4,000.
Yes.
Where I will transfer this?
Sir, by revaluation account and partners capital account.
Revaluation account, partners capital account, which side I will record?
Sir, credit side.
Credit side. By
Revaluation.
revaluation account. So what is the distribution? 2,400 and 1,600.
Yes, sir.
Now balance, write down 43,200 minus 3,000.
40,200.
40,200.
Yes, sir.
And here it is
26,800.
26,800. And other one is
15,000.
15,000. So we will be recording in the balance sheet.
Yes.
Capital account of Ajitesh and
Bimal
Bimal
and Deep.
Deep. So Ajitesh is 40,200.
Yes.
Bimal is
20,800.
then Deep is 15,000. Make a total of these three.
Yes. $82,000.
82,000. Make the balance sheet total now.
The total 2,12,000.
Both the side is tallies, correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.